Hi, I'm Will Knauer, a museum educator at Crystal Bridges Museum of American Art, and this is a close-looking exercise in your My Museum kit. In this video, we will be exploring this portrait photograph of Casey Camp Horinek by Native American photographer Will Wilson. Before we begin talking about this artwork, let's take a moment to let your eye wander all over the photograph. Look carefully from top to bottom and side to side, paying close attention to all the details you see. As you are looking at the photograph, make a list of 3 things you notice about this very dignified lady. Pay special attention to her facial expression, her posture, her clothing and jewelry, and the things she holds in her hands. Please pause the video now to write down the 3 things you notice about this lady. Thank you for doing that. What did you notice about this lady? Did you see the feathers in her hair? What about the beads? See the eagle fan in her lap? What's in her hand? Casey Camp Horinek, the lady in the photograph, is a citizen of the Ponca tribe of Oklahoma. She is a person who has identified through her culture and tribe. All of the things you see her wearing are a part of her regalia, or her dressy, ceremonial clothing. Casey Camp Horinek is a Native American. She is of a different culture. Have you heard about Native Americans? Native Americans were here in North America when the Europeans arrived. We say Native Americans are indigenous to North America. The word indigenous refers to the original inhabitants of a land. Indigenous peoples were the first to live on the land where we now have our houses, schools, and roads. Casey Camp Horinek is an important member of her tribe. Her identity as a tribal leader is not only displayed in her appearance, but also in what she does for her tribe. She holds many tribal positions, including serving as a delegate to the United Nations Permanent Forum on Indigenous Issues, the leader of the Ponca Scalp Dance Society. She is also a sun dancer, an important religious ceremony. This is a religious holiday many families don't celebrate. I think it's really fun to learn about other traditions. Casey is a defender of Mother Earth. She is an environmentalist and a leader of a wonderful family. She's a mother, grandmother, companion, and sister. In her lifetime, she has had many identities in her tribe, community, and family. In each role, she has shown us how her individuality can work in a successful person's life. Have you ever had a portrait photograph taken? What about your yearly school pictures? Your school pictures are a yearly record of how you've changed from year to year. If you knew you were going to have your photo portrait taken today, what would you wear? Would you wear your favorite sports jersey? The football, baseball, or soccer jersey? How would you arrange your hair? I think you might want to dress up a little. In school portraits, we see so many similarities and differences with our classmates, but unfortunately, sometimes people treat other people badly or differently because of their looks, the color of their skin, their cultural beliefs, or their gender. Is this unfair? Is this how people should treat one another? Your school picture can show us what you look like and some of your identities. What are some other interesting identities you have about yourself? Do you play sports? Do you like math, reading, and science? What about art? Do you like art projects or music? Are you an actor? Can you write down 3 things that interest you? Please pause the video to give yourself a moment or two to jot down 3 interests of yours. You can show these 3 interests with someone if you wish. How brave of you to write and share these 3 things that are unique about yourself. Your identity is all around you. Isn't it great that there are so many different ways we can show our identity? How our differences can make each of us unique and different. It's disappointing that we ran out of time because you are a person I would really like to know. Thank you for watching. Now, please feel free to go to the art making video that is related to the Casey Camp Horinek photo. Remember to keep in mind what you've learned here as you have fun making some interesting and wonderful art.